everybody. Happy Saturday, and we're off to Fort McDowell, the enterprise of the Yavapai Nation, who's ready to staycation. Yeah! Guys, so we are checking in here at the Yavapai Casino and Resort, and we have the fabulous Jenny here helping us out. This is a fabulous hotel. We're super excited to share, you guys. Look at this, is amazing. The rich culture. Right out here they have the pool. We're gonna do some family adventure attractions. We'll check out the restaurant and of course our junior suite. Okay guys, so we got checked in. We did our little photo shoot with Lauren Lynn's photography. We're gonna go upstairs and check out our junior suite. Come on, guys. This hotel is so lovely, so chic, and I love our junior suite. It's so cute. Let's
Yavapai Resort. We're so excited to have Sparkle Mom show her all the fun things she can do with the kids. We've got ATV adventures, horseback riding, we've got Jeep tours and everything right on the beautiful Verde River. Inside you're going to see fine dining, you're going to see 24-hour dining, and the casino, of course, for mom and dad.
Right.
Anyway, we're going to take off on the tour now, and I hope you enjoy it. Symbolism.
Okay.
So here, you see the rain coming down, you see the baskets collecting, the fertility. You'll see the representation of Montezuma's well right there in the middle of the floor. And of course, it's beautiful terrain.
So this is Lisa, the security here at Yavapai, and she's a Sparkle Mom fan. Yes. So she came right up to us and she loves our page. We're very inspired by her love. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome. Love you all.
Yay. Okay.
Yeah, basically we've got comedians, we have all kinds of great music shows coming in. Tonight, yes, we have Prince.
Oh yay, tonight is Prince! Yes, so we got reservations here at 7 o'clock at the WKP Sports and Entertainment. Gift shop here. Well, this is cute. I love that bathing top, yes. That bathing suit. Okay guys, so we did the tour with Christy, the director of sales. It's almost 3 o'clock. Your girl is going to get ready to go to the Amethyst Spa to do a deep massage. So I will take you guys along. The kids are going to go with Michael down to the swimming pool. So let's go ahead and check that out. Full itinerary. It's now 3 o'clock. I have a spa treatment at the Amethyst Spa downstairs. So I just wanted to change my outfit. Amethyst Spa here at the Yavapai Resort. It's located right here on the first floor. If you walk straight to the check-in, straight back this way, it's right down to the right. So let's go check that out. Everybody's still having a good time, and the views are amazing. The sun is about to set, so we're gonna go over on the other side and check out the sunset. But they have the golf cart, everyone's hanging out. And girl, you ready to go for dinner? Sure. Yeah, let's go check it out. Tonight's dinner is complimentaries of the WKP Sports Entertainment. So let's go check out the festivities downstairs. Yeah. margarita for pictures, and then Dada, he got the Maker's Mark and Coke. So this is a cute little place, you guys. They have the WKP Sports Entertainment here, and it's kids menu. They have adult milkshakes, desserts, appetizers, wings, sandwiches. So we're going to order for the kids, and then we're also going to enjoy the tribute of Prince tonight. We were given 2 extra tickets by the general manager and the director of operations and Prince himself. So we got some special seating. Sparkle Mom and family feel very special and welcome here at the Yavapai Nation, you guys. So far, our trip and resort stay has been nothing but love, and the accommodations are fantastic. Are you enjoying yourself, Mom? Yeah. How about you, Dad? Yeah. What's that? You fixing to feel a lot better? Cheers, baby. Here's to the kids. So this is the nachos here at the WKP Sports Entertainment. Beautiful. And Mariah got some chicken nuggets with French fries. Great. Michael and I are going to share some nachos for now because we're coming back downstairs. Baby girl she has mac and cheese with French fries, and the boys are sharing the pizza with some fries as well. So let's go ahead and check out this tower. So beautiful. And that margarita is no joke. It's really good. Delicious. Okay, so we're back from dinner, and I know here at the Waived Casino they do have the night movies, and we heard it's La Bamba.
Criminal element here tonight, and you know who you are. 1, 2, 3.
And you say, yeah. I like to really mean it, yeah.
Alright, we're on our way. We're almost there. Oh crap, why is this red so much? Okay guys, we're almost here.
Welcome, your epic adventure starts here.
Yeah. I think this is a whole...
Okay, let's see. Alright people, stop right here. A lookout point. Beautiful canyon. A lot of history right here. Back in the day, this is where all the Yavapai Nation used to camp out when the soldiers were around. It's like a little hidden canyon. Certain points, you can't even see this area. Beautiful. Alright, we're getting ready. Next stop. Alright, we're back here. This was our tour guide, Jason. Gave us one hell of a tour. It was pretty cool. I said you guys gotta come out, try one of these. It is well worth it. Adrenaline all the way. It is pretty fun, and man, you think you're gonna get stuck or bottom out? Nope, these things go right through it, and it is awesome. So once again, we'd just like to say thank you to Fort McDowell Adventures. We had such an awesome day this morning. It was amazing. It was fun, and we will be back to try the horseback riding. Will be another adventure. Till then, we'll see you guys later.